Well guys, I just bought this really cheap lifetime kayak, 10 foot, from Walmart for $224. I think they've been on sale for $188, but they weren't today. And this kayak only has a weight capacity of 275 pounds. And my weight is right around 230. So it's not ideal. Like I say, it's one of the cheapest kayaks you can buy. And you guys, most of you know me. I like to change the color of things, especially when it's a solid bright color like this one is. And I'm just gonna shoot a little bit of video of me applying. I'm using this Krylon chrome aluminum. I think the chrome is a good color for the bottom of any kayak, because when the fish look up at it, it'll shimmer just like the surface of the water does. And I think a solid chrome bottom would be ideal. I'm not doing solid, I'm just making like stripes, you know, just to break up the bottom contour. And I didn't buy this paint, I already had it. I've used it for several other projects, and it just keeps on going. Couple scratches, pretty deep, right out of the, right from Walmart. So I think I'll just spray them, just to fill them up a little bit. Nice how this seat is a pretty cheap seat, of course, but it's nice how the straps pop right off on it. Like I say, we had rain right up until just a couple minutes ago, and the sun's out now, and I'm making a quick move to get a little custom paint on this kayak. Make it my own. That's what we guys like to do, right? That's it for the paint. The paint job is over. You can see this kayak has no butt pad, none at all. So I will be laying a piece of foam in there to sit on. And that's about it. I don't need rod holders because I hold all my rods along the side of my legs and stick them up under the bungee cords up front. So this little paddle keeper right here will be nice because I can slide the tip of my rod up under the bungee, and then the butt of the rod will go under that, and I'll install another one of these on that side. That's going to be about it. I've got some other paint colors, but I'm not going to fool with it. There you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless, and best wishes.